Hello guys. So for this episode, we'll be trying to use the emulated virtual environment next generation for the Huawei router simulation. For this setup, I already set up the virtual machines using the EVE-NG. So running the virtual machines, I also loaded the image file of the routers. So here, just going using the browser of my local PC. So it means I'm going to virtualize the machine. So accessing the EVE-NG is using the browser. So I have already here the default admin, and let's just sign in. So here we have a name. So we'll just remove this first for the. So here you can see that the EVE-NG environment is running using the 192.168.121.129. So in order for you to add a node, so you just click a nodes. And here you have network, startup config, configured objects. So there's a lot of configuration. So you can even dark mode. So for you to add a network element, so you just click add an object, a node. Then selecting, I only have the NE40, Huawei NE40 routers. So in here, I'm just going to run the NE40 Cebu NE40. So here, the number of the, the image version that I'm going to use, the V8R11, and using the SPC6, the version. So number of nodes to add, you can add 2, 3. So we'll just emulate up to 3 devices. So CPU limit, that's all you need to configure and save. And then go back to the EVE-NG. Now I have Cebu 403. So this is the 1, the 2, and the 3. Okay? So to make it more interesting, I'm going to add another router. So I'm going to use same NE40 from Huawei. That's the only one I have, and we're going to name it Manila. And just click it. So I have a Manila here. And if you want to change the name of each router, like it's just going to edit, then Bohol, and click save. And this one, you need, we'll just name it Leyte. Click save. So already I have a 4 NE40s dot R already added in the object. And if you want to connect, you just click this plug icon. This plug, and you can, by the way, this is not yet running. So as you can see, the routers are not yet running. So we're just going to start it first. So right click and click start, right click start, right click start, right click start. So we're just going to wait for it to start the routers. Now you can open it, the SSH. So as you can see, routers are already running on SSH, different SSH. Another window. So here, you just see the HTML. So wipe, no, not wipe, but add an object, a text. So we're just going to add 1.1.1.0/30. This is for the IP address, and just duplicate And we're gonna change this to 2, duplicate. So they are running on a different subnet. So as you can see here, I'm not saving IP address. So much better way is to run this like 10.1.4, 10.1.1.8, and running in at 12. Okay, so that's the point-to-point IP of the segments here. So we're just going to connect this. First, I need to check. So I'm not able to just wait for it. I'm going to figure out how to connect this node to this node. So add an object network. No, this is not. So they are already running, as you can see. Oh, so I haven't figured it out yet, the running config. So I need to use the, okay. So refresh topology, more actions. So how to connect? Wait for it. So the network, the startup config, more actions. Stop. Just need to stop. So that's how you add a object in the ng, EVE-NG. So a simple way to add objects. For my next video, I'm going to show you how to connect the routers.